Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Ameritas Life Insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Ameritas Life Insurance, begin by visiting the Ameritas website. On the homepage, look for the option that says log in or register. If you're a first-time user, click on the register link to create your account. You will need to enter your personal information, such as your name, social security number, and policy number. Once you've filled in the required fields, click the Submit button. Check your email for a confirmation link from Ameritas. Open the email and click on the link to verify your account. After verifying, return to the Ameritas website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section of your account dashboard. Locate the option to activate your policy. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Once you're satisfied, confirm your activation by clicking the Final Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message that your policy is now active. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Ameritas customer support. Keep your login details safe for future access. Now your Ameritas Life Insurance is successfully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.